Hey folks, about I think it's the 88 Donruss card. We'll see what kind of treasure I find here. Last time I opened this, I found Jose Rive's Eric card. These little puzzles. For some reason I get tons of this guy's cards, his rookie card. I got tons of. Here's how I find this guy. Todd. We go through a whole. Oh, Hall of Famer, Robin Yard. His brother tried to play, but got sick and then never played again. He was right for great medics. Almost rookie card. That was a great one. Look at that. Cool. The professor, they call him. Let's see here, Kent. No rookies. I've got one. Jeffrey Robinson's rookie card. Oh, I can see this one. Ivan Garnes. I guess he was the best player for the White Sox at that time. So let me know what you think. Like, subscribe. We do different things each time. Right now we're just opening packages. Thank you.